7-2. Bullying occurs all over the world, and in order for it to stop it from happening, many are teaching how to prevent bullying and how to pick out a bully. Today, students at the Keystone Job Corps in Drums were learning just that. Do you know how to recognize a bully, how to uncover a bully, and the different types of bullies? Well, several students from the Keystone Job Corps in Drums now do, thanks to recruiters from the United States Army.
Bullying happens everywhere. You know, it happens in the United States Army, it happens in high schools, it happens at Job Corps. Bullying's been an ever-growing thing in the United States, and, you know, we are here to try to source it out to people and make it known that it is happening and try to give them a way to find a better way that if they are being bullied, that they have an avenue of approach to, you know, get help for being bullied, and that there's always other people out there that are probably in the same situation they are in, and that, you know, you're not alone in the situation, and that, you know, that there's people out there willing to help you.
Just because you're a victim doesn't mean you're worthless, doesn't mean you don't have a voice. There's people that do care about you, people that want to help, and if you are a bully, the impact that bullying can bring, because bullying leads to suicide ultimately.
Business Community Liaison for the Keystone Job Corps, Ross Valenti, says this is good for the students, and he hopes that they all walk away with more information on bullying and an understanding of how it can hurt people.
Bullying is a problem not only in schools, but certainly in the service and in society as general. So the more people that we have educated and understand the dynamics of it and what can be done about it, the better schools such as Keystone or society can handle the problem.
Brian Harris says after today he has learned a lot more about bullying and how it can help him when he graduates from the Job Corps.
It can help my life out because, like, on certain job sites and stuff like that, you got some people that think that they're going to run to you and run certain things, which can be a form of bullying, like verbal bullying and stuff like that. So like this here campaign that they putting on for us today, you know, once you start to visualize and start to learn how to prevent that or get away from certain people like that, you know, it can help us out, you know, so I think it's a good program for right now.
Eva Jordan, who is a student at Keystone, also helped with today's seminar. She says she also plans to use this information in the future.
Real world, you could, if you see anything going on in the job, in the workforce, you could use the experiences they give you here, you can use them in the real world, let the appropriate people know. If you see something negative going on, you can let them know. It'll de-escalate the situation, make it more a good environment to work in.
With information about bullying, the recruiters hope that the students know what to do with this new knowledge.
My thoughts are that they should immediately find a supervising adult or a peer leader, talk to them, and resource all the help that they have as far as counselors and the sessions they have one-on-one with their supervisors.
I think we just need to have more people stand up and, you know, look out for the kids that are being bullied, because most kids that are being bullied don't have the voice to stand up for themselves, and we need to recognize when it's happening and actually be a person to make a difference, because if we don't, we're just going to continue this cycle for the next, you know, 20 years, 30 years, 100 years. So that's our goal here, is to hopefully have more people stand up for the people that don't stand up for themselves.
Valenti says he received positive feedback from students who attended today's seminar.